Hello everyone, myself Neha Yadav. I'm MBA HR first year student. I will be talking about Amity University bike check. And before bike check, you need to know about the stress beforehand. So when I talk about stress, it is not much, but your academic requirements needs to be fulfilled, and that includes your attendance. And attendance needs to be 75%, and it should be at both level, your entrance level when you are entering into the campus, and other one when your professor is in the class. And when I talk about the crowd, you will find mixed crowd here. Like the crowd you can find, you can hunt, you can seek, and you can hang out with. And fest, you all are aware about it. The fest is real. The things you hear is actually in reality. It's not just something which is available as such only real material. So we have Hardy Sandhu. Yes, he was there. And more than that, when I talk about clubs, it is student driven. You are not just having your academic commitments, but you are leading the world that you actually want to be. Like for example, here at business school, you have Human Resource Club, that is People Management Club. For operations, you have OPEX, for IT, for marketing, for every other part. Beyond that, you have your culture club, which is leading your culture, your need, your passions, and what you need. And beyond that, we have student excellence clubs too, which provide you for case comms. You are presenting your institution as national, international, and where not. We ourselves have one IITs, IIM, SIMS, and where not. More than that, when I talk about discipline, you need to maintain such, and that is very much rooted in it. And once an Amitian is always an Amitian, you need to be honest toward your institution. It cannot be lead in any other way. When I talk about rules and regulation, then you need to adhere to your uniform. You need to be honest with yourself. And it is not written somewhere that you need to wear the uniform, but it is something which is very much rooted in our culture. So you need to get up yourself with ties, cravats, blazers, and your proper uniform. So it is one thing that I will highly say that you need to adhere by it. And if I rate the vibe, then vibe is 5 on 5, and I can't deny on that. Vibe is something that you are not compromising anyways. Thank you so much.